All right, this is my puff pastry that I just cut in half, and we are placing this right into our loaf pan, just like so. Go ahead and grab our other half. We do have 2 packages of this puff pastry, and we're gonna roll this out. We want some long ends, so don't worry about that. And we're gonna place that right into our other loaf pan for this easy and delicious lunch. Ooh, all right, let's get these other ones done. Now that we have our puff pastry in our loaf pans, we're gonna come in with our cooked ground beef and onions. And I have an ice cream scoop so that we can scoop our beef and onions right into our puff pastry. This is such a delicious and easy lunch. It's so great for, those quick weekday lunches. You can package it up and your kids can bring it to school. It's so yummy. It's a take on an American classic that I think you guys will absolutely love. So let's go ahead and get this evenly distributed because we have some extra meat and onions. Beautiful. Now I am gonna add my favorite seasoning, the hamburger seasoning, and we're just gonna add a nice little sprinkle onto our meat and onions. And I did use 1 pound of ground beef and about half a pound of diced white onions. Okay, that looks perfect. Now we're gonna come in with our ketchup. Make sure to give this a nice little shake. And we're gonna drizzle our ketchup right on top of our ground beef, just like so. I love all of these ingredients. They are so savory and delicious, but those onions give a nice sweetness. But you can mix this up and use whatever kind of condiments you like. I am gonna come in with some mayo, some Duke's mayo, and we're gonna do the same thing we did with the ketchup, but with our mayo. But you could add some mustard, you could add some Chick-fil-A sauce, you can add whatever condiments you like. It's gonna be amazing. I am just gonna kind of give that a nice little spread, get everything kind of like from edge to edge in our loaf pans. And these are just our standard loaf pans, so you don't have to use the aluminum ones. You don't have to make 4. I'm just doing this in these loaf pans because my in-laws are in town, so we needed 4 servings, and this is gonna be so good. They absolutely love these ingredients. And of course we need our American cheese. So we're gonna add some cheese slices right on top of our sauce. You can use whatever cheese you like. I just think American cheese is a classic and it goes so well with these other flavors. It kind of gives a hamburger taste to this lunch. But if you like cheddar or Swiss or provolone, even mozzarella, go for it. You could even do more than 1 kind of cheese. All right, we have our 2 slices of cheese per loaf. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab our ends of our puff pastry and fold them in just like so. It's okay if you get like a little, edge there, and we're just gonna make sure those 2 ends touch. And we're gonna do that for each of our loaf pans. That's why we needed so much puff pastry, because we're kind of almost creating like a hot pocket here. So let's go ahead and fold up all of our puff pastry. Now I'm coming in with my melted butter, and we're gonna brush some butter right onto that puff pastry. Make sure you don't have any puddles. That was an accident. So do a little less than I did right there. And we're gonna brush all of them just so nice and lightly. This will help get this nice and golden brown. Yummy. So we're gonna butter each one of these. You could do an egg wash if you prefer, but I just had butter and I feel like it adds to that savoriness. And before we pop these into the oven, I'm gonna add some sesame seeds so that it almost is like a bun-like puff pastry. But this is optional. I know some people are allergic to sesame seeds, but our family loves sesame seeds. All right, now these are ready for the oven. My oven is set to 375, and these are gonna be in here for 25 minutes. Oh my, these look absolutely insane. Ooh, I am so excited to give these a try. I have my plate right here, and I think I'm gonna try to just toss it out. I'm not sure it's loose on the edges. Ooh, oh my goodness, look at that bottom. Talk about perfectly cooked. Oh, that steam. Oh, it's perfectly cooked. I probably didn't do that correctly, but it is like a handheld lunch.
Is that good?
Wow. That is so good. I'm going in for a second bite. Oh yeah. You guys are gonna love these.